peeps? It's JT, and it is early January, and I'm on my way out to the next adventure in drone life. So figured I'd make a little video. So this week we're going to learn how to survey a cell site for either AT&T and or Verizon and or T-Mobile, because the company I work for is carrier independent and they will get as much business as they can. So
Aircraft approaching custom unlocking zone boundary. Aircraft.
Is I do it at night while they're sleeping. He says it usually keeps them away for a while. They had like 2 decoy owls because those owls don't work.
hey, go away.
open has failed. And you need to get a picture of it. And then I'll show you what I'm talking about. People don't realize this opens. This opens.
Right on.
Dude, I'm opening everything I can.
Heart and soul. Now this is interesting. So this is, when you see UMTS, really what they're talking about is 3G.
Yeah.
Right? Whereas like the radio modules are mounted up on the tower now.
Yeah.
Almost always. Because it's less attenuation on the cable when it's right there.
Yeah.
And then they're fibered out, which is a lot lighter. Before, these are all fiber coax, just a stack of modems in there.
Yeah.
Radio modems. It's exactly, because 3G was fairly slow and, but,
That's pretty cool. That's
yeah.
so clean.
It's clean. It's a good installation because it's all contained in the cabinet. You can't see it except that it's just expensive.